133 million Americans have an incurable chronic condition, and 100,000 people die of old age every day. And it's the third year in a row that life expectancy has declined. If the status quo continues, the health of society will continue to fade unless serious action is taken to reverse this trend. It's time to break the status quo. What would it look like if healthcare focused on disease prevention rather than masking the symptoms? A new paradigm is rising that disrupts the current system and that allows for the individual to take control of their health. The paradigm is the longevity movement. NAD Treatment Center embraces this way of thinking by introducing new therapies that will combat age-related diseases. We refuse to use the conventional approach. Let's kickstart health and wellness by a combination of therapies. With the help of our dedicated staff and through teaming up with nonprofit research organizations, we are able to actively investigate the safety and efficacy of these new therapies, as well as search for the next therapy that might save someone's life. Are you ready to join the movement of age reversal?